Hi, I'm Ashley Smith with the Farmington Hills Nature Center. Autumn has arrived at Heritage Park and Thanksgiving is just around the corner. Join us for our annual Thanksgiving for Nature program. Drop in for a self-guided scavenger hunt to find out why we can be thankful for all of nature's gifts. Be sure to make a Thanksgiving craft to take home too. Perfect for families and scout groups. Register in advance online. For more information about Thanksgiving for Nature, please give the Nature Center a call.